Welcome back to AutoFacts. Today we would like to show you a presentation which highlights how we can help you promote and sell your vehicle online through our bespoke advertisements. We can include the following: a concise history of the vehicle, details of who the designer or designers were, where it was manufactured, the year it was released and how many units were produced. We provide all the technical and performance statistics. These details provide the potential buyer a deep insight into the vehicle and improve their knowledge and help them understand what they are interested in buying.
We can also include vehicle specifics like how many previous owners, service history or modifications.
All of our videos are shot in high-quality 4K resolution. Feel free to contact us to discuss our video production packages and how we can help your business move to the next level of advertising. Please sit back and enjoy this presentation.
The 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, featuring a 289 cubic inch, 4.7-litre V8 engine in the striking candy apple red, is a quintessential American muscle car that harmoniously combines classic design, robust performance, and a rich heritage. The exterior showcases the classic Mustang look, with long hood, short deck styling, and a wide stance. The front suspension features an independent configuration with coil springs, upper and lower control arms, and an anti-roll bar for improved handling and stability. The rear suspension is a solid axle design using leaf springs and staggered shocks for a comfortable ride and improved traction. A classic car like this Mustang provides a rewarding experience, both financially and personally. Overall, the 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe is a highly sought-after classic car that combines style, performance, and historical significance. With its unique features and increasing value, this specific vehicle presents an excellent opportunity for classic car buyers and investors. The black vinyl interior of the 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe merges style and practicality. The dashboard features a symmetrical design with circular gauges and chrome accents. Front and rear seat belts ensure passenger safety, reflecting the increasing importance of safety features in the 1960s. If you've been captivated by the charm and elegance of this stunning 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, we invite you to take the next step and contact our dealership for further information. To learn more about this incredible vehicle, please don't hesitate to reach out to our dedicated sales team using the contact details provided at the end of this presentation. We look forward to assisting you in making this beautiful classic car your own. Thank you for watching AutoFacts Bespoke ads, and we hope to hear from you soon.